Hi, good day. My name is Ronnie Coromar. Welcome to PUB H4012 application of standard for sterilization practice. And on the video, we're going to discuss the difference between three standards. I am right now with my colleague, Senior Lawrence and Ramon, to complete my video. I'm going to start the explanation by starting the name of the standard and followed by scope, compliance, and application. AS NZS 4187 2014 to ensure that all people assigned and perform the tasks such as cleaning, disinfecting, and sterilizing the RMD are free from any transmission of infectious agent, since all these instruments we are used in multiple patients and are intended for reuse. In order to give the highest quality all services providing reprocessing of RMD, main object is to protect the patient and staff. Protecting patient is through adhering to the standard by correctly, effectively, and safely reprocessing the RMDs. Protecting staff is through adapting the different PPE to wear while applying the process into action. Compliance. Here are some normative sections we can refer to in implementing AS NZS 4187 2014. ISO 15883 washer disinfectors, and ISO 17664 sterilization of medical devices. Information to be provided by the manufacturing for the processing of sterilizable medical devices. ISO 17665 sterilization of healthcare products, moist heat. ISO 20857 sterilization of healthcare product, dry heat requirements for the development, validation, and routine control of the sterilization process for medical devices. ISO 25424 sterilization of medical devices, low temperature, steam, and formaldehyde requires for development, validation, and routine of the sterilization process for medical devices. EN 285 sterilization, steam sterilizer, large sterilizers. EN 868 packaging for terminal sterilized medical devices. AS NZS 4187 is considered as the best practice standard in a facility that render reprocessing service of instrument. We can correlate AS/NZS 4187 to NZS 8134 as the legal document that bind in reprocessing, in which technician should abide and implement. And application. The standard is applicable to public and private hospital that render reprocessing of instrument. As I mentioned in the scope, free from transmission, we therefore not processing any single-use instrument or any other instrument which was used in a procedure with a transmissible disease such as mad cow or CJD. And second, AS NZS 4815 2006, the standard is focused on a small facility that gives service to a non-complex procedure, like example, peeling process in a dental clinic. Since this is a small-based facility, they use a lot of recyclable linens, reprocessable linens. That standard follow the same procedure in reprocessing as per the hospital-based facility, but only differs on the instrument used only to a non-invasive procedure. Compliance. Here are a few normative sections which is the best to the consider to implementing AS NZS 4815. AS NZS 4815-2006 are as follows: AS NZS 3816 for management of clinical and related waste, EN 13060 small stem sterilizer, ISO 11140 sterilization of healthcare product chemical indicators. AS NZS 4815 is the best practice standard for a small setting facility. AS NZS 4815 is legally bind with NZS 8134 when we talk and consider about reprocessing of instrument. Application. The standard to apply the management by ensuring that they providing the right people is a small scale facility that can perform the task correctly. It can also be the sterile technician or to any support staff inside the small clinic setting with or without a background as a sterile technician that can adapt to any small environment but still practice the standard perfectly. As mentioned in the scope, free from transmission, we are therefore not processing any single-use instrument or any other instrument which was used in a procedure with a transmissible disease such as mad cow or CGD. And the last, NZS 8134 2021, the standard promote the safe provision of services from people in Wanao in New Zealand. The standard has been developed to be better reflect the current model of care with a strong focus on increasing positive life outcomes and achieving healthy future for Maori Pacific people. The standard is primarily for New Zealand-based only application. Compliance. Health and Disability Service Safety Act is a requirement in implementing as a legal binding document. CSD technician working in a private and or public setting that give reprocessing service must adhere to this standard as part of the compliance. A person or organization can be called in the court using the standard since this is considered as a legislative document. If other two previous standard has normative compliance, NZS 8134 also has section we consider as a compliance in implementing the standard, and these are our rights, workforce and structure. Best example can read in section 2, quality management that focus on governance, responsibilities at service organization level, path of well-being, person-centered, and safe environment. Example are clause 5.2.3, decontamination and reprocessing of reusable medical devices and equipment, which we can correlate this back to AS NZS 4187 and AS NZS 4815 as the best practices. Application. As I mentioned in section 5 in NZS 8134, this is applicable to following the render services, rehabilitation center, physiotherapy and maternity chiropractic, collecting, storing, or transporting human tissue or human bodily substance for the purpose of or in connection with the provision or prospective provision of health disability service. Peora Health Future Act 2022 services such as personal health service, public health service. And that's all, and thank you very much.